So the next one, oh, it's this one. This is the hard one. Oh, what makes it hard? It's supposed to have a lot of little tiny parts. But that's okay. We did such a good job with the other two. I feel confident moving forward. Aha! The first thing I noticed is this little bit right here. Oh, how much fun is that? I swear it's like Christmas. Oh joy. Of course, you know, I really don't celebrate Christmas. I don't. It's called presents. Presents! So, yeah. Oh, I just suddenly like didn't want to go too harsh, but I think it's okay. I think, maybe. I don't want to go too hard. How do you know? How do you know? How do you know if you're going too hard or not? Well, I think all that stuff is taken away. None of it's gonna stay. Oh, look, see, you can tell. Oh yeah, because all that stuff is gonna go away as well. Oh, ooh, ooh. Oh my god, look what I'm doing. Yikes. It just comes like right out. Oh, that's so much fun. Alright, maybe I won't rip that out. This part. Ooh, that was fun. It's very forgiving. It doesn't seem to mind my my force. That is so satisfying. Look at that. It's like, it's totally working. It's like, you can almost see how it's supposed to be. Ooh, look. There's another one. I'm like, I don't know how to attach this. Oh, yeah, that's great. So this is the one that's vulnerable. We want to keep that intact. This little bit here. So I don't want to be too rough. I want to be gentle. Just a little gentle. Ooh, look, see, it came right out. Arr. Is that right? Yeah, I wanted this whole thing. Yeah, I knew it would come out. Oh my god, it's like taking the meat out of lobster. That is what this is like. It is, whoa, I'm moving because I'm so excited. It is literally like taking the lobster meat out of lobster. So if you like doing that, you'll love doing this. Like, it's a lot more elegant than that, don't get me wrong, but this is gonna be fun. How do you get that stuff out? It's a little challenging. When I'm just going back and forth, I feel like I'm flossing this thing. Just a little bit. I want to take tweezers. Oh! It went flying. Literally like 2 feet, 3 feet over that way. Alright, well now that's gone. That's good. Okay, and then there's all this. I can see it because I look through it and I see that grid, that mesh stuff. The support. I just want to take it out. Get my lobster meat out of the little tiny claw. Oh, it's a circle in there. You see that? Eventually it's going to be a circle. There's, oh, I see the circle. I just got to figure out how to get this bit off so that I can expose the circle. Ow. It didn't really hurt. A little pinch. Oh, look. Wait a minute. That is a circle. Oh, great. I did it. Huh, cool. So what about all that other stuff? Wait, there's still stuff in this one. Maybe that's supposed to stay. I don't know. He said there's a lot of little parts and stuff, and I see them now. I saw all the little bits you gotta get. There's another one right here. Oh, this will... And then what about this? I don't want to... Is that like connected? How does that... You have to watch out for that. You don't want to like get rid of that. That's a good little bit. And that's all good. And then what about these? These are like groove things. Make sure those are intact. Or like excavated. There's a little bit... I don't know. Uh-oh. Get back up here. That's good. I'm having so much fun. Okay. I've made so many discoveries.
Excellent.
Yes. I feel like it's almost done. Oh, no. Let's do more. So now it's the same thing. I'm searching for circles. Removing support, looking for circles. Ow. Now this part is like the little tiny legs, because that's all I'm doing. I'm literally just putting it in there and just trying to shove out lobster meat. I don't even know where it goes. Did I just get it? Like, this is literally what it's like, because you don't know. You can't. Who pays attention to the legs? It's my mother. She makes the best lobster salad roll in the world, because she goes for the leg meat. Oh, she's so fastidious. Attention to detail. So good. I'm like, I just want to blow it through. Like, get out, little support. I guess. Now I've got a long way to go. Because if you look at it, it's like it's a semicircle, all in there, inside of that little bit. And mine doesn't look like that yet, so I gotta keep going until it looks like that. It's like this underbelly part. This bit. This is okay. See, it's like, you know, you don't know what to do, and you're like, what do I do? This is a little tricky. It goes around. It's creating a space in here. Like you can see it. So I need to basically floss that. That's what I need to do, is like get in there, up in here. How big, how thick is that thing? Orientating. Okay. And then... Alright, so it's like digging in here. This is what I need to do. I need to dig this out. Yeah, this is the stuff. See? This is so good for me. This reminds me of CAD. Oh, the architectural drawings. How do you make something look like something else? And that's all they did was like, what they want us to do. Take a part like this and just draw it using the computer. I don't know, I don't remember. That's all they wanted us to do, is just draw it with the computer. And then, but it really helps, like, understand what's going on. When you get used to seeing models like that. How to draw them. Dean Hellman. Rest in peace. The Dean of the College of Engineering at UMass Amherst when I was going there. She was wicked into women in engineering. Give a woman an inch, and she becomes a ruler. I always like that. Dean Hellman. Dean Hellman suggested that if more women became engineers, we could make nylons that didn't run. And I thought, oh my God, how would you ever make money off of nylons? You get one pair that never runs, it lasts forever. That's actually what I buy now, the tights. Oh, so warm, especially in New England. Oof, it's cold. I hope I'm not messing this up. I mean, I don't see how you can be. I haven't messed anything else up. I just gotta get it out. It's just tough. Persistence. Never giving up. Like, I got this. See, it's not even the right way. There we go. That helps. Maybe I should be using this part. Let's try this. Alright, that's got to be on there. Wait, hold on. Am I trying to take off a piece that's supposed to be on there? No, that's not supposed to be on there. That's supposed to be coming off. This little bit right here. I guess I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be coming off. Well, I'm gonna take it off. See, I feel like I'm forcing it. Like, I don't feel like I should have to put this much force into it. Maybe what we'll do is we'll... Ooh! Wait, what's this? I feel like I've hit an edge. Oh, that's something Bobby taught me. He's like, always work your edge. So he's like, you know, whatever it is, just find out where the edge is. Right here, this is where my edge is. And just work the edge. Without impaling yourself with the tool. Ah, look at it, I did it, I did it, I did it. Oh my God, it's coming out. This is so hard, but, and this is nothing like lobster anymore. This is a disgusting, horrible hang now. This is like, at least it doesn't hurt. I mean, it's been quite painful to get this little bit out. so close. Look at that. Look at that little chunk. Oh my god, I'm like, I don't know which way it's gonna go, and I'm trying to plan for it to ceremoniously be like gone in one final beautiful elegant swoop instead of this just like a mangled mess. Come on off. I'm so close. I'm so close. Ah, there it goes. It's, I guess, no. Mine's very ugly. That's okay. I'm gonna make it pretty. I'm gonna make it clean it. Take from big ugly to little ugly. All this stuff in here. See? Look at how nice this one is on the... It's so nice. I have to just keep going. What's this? Another piece of stuff. Support. Well, at least it's easy. Oh, look at how tiny that is. Oh, and mine's still alive. That's good. Alright, so I got a lot of stuff to take out. All this stuff in here. I don't even know how to get at that. All this stuff. I'm literally one eyeballing it right now. I can sort of see it. That's good. Oh, yeah. Ooh. I'm like using my feet. This is leverage on the stool. So you can sort of feel the pressures even in your own body sitting a while at this task. Sweating with the lights. Ah, and the mask. Stay buoyant, stay buoyant. I got this like one little bit here. And there's this part. I can tell the loose filament. And you look at it from that dimension. Look at all that stuff. There's gotta be like an easy way to shave this. That was good.